Planning a move in Palo Alto, California? Whether it's local or long distance, careful planning can save you stress and money. In this video, we'll cover moving costs, choosing movers, planning, packing, and smart strategies for a smooth relocation. Local moves in Palo Alto usually range between $500 and $1,200 for a 2 to 3 bedroom home, depending on the volume and building access. Long-distance moves are often charged per mile, with rates varying based on shipment size and distance. Factors like stairs, narrow streets, and parking can significantly affect costs. Building access is critical. Stairs, elevators, and narrow hallways add time and labor. Crew size impacts the job speed and total labor cost. Moving during weekends or busy months can increase rates due to higher demand. Always hire movers who are licensed and insured to protect your belongings. Check for experience with local Palo Alto moves to navigate streets and building layouts efficiently. Request a written estimate detailing all included services like packing, transport, and unloading. Make an inventory of all items, including furniture and fragile boxes. Decide which items to donate, sell, or discard to reduce volume and cost. Clear pathways in your home so movers can work efficiently. Use sturdy boxes and label them clearly by room and contents. Pack a first night essentials box with clothes, toiletries, and chargers. Moving in Palo Alto can be stress-free with careful planning, licensed movers, and smart packing. Like, subscribe, and comment below with your moving questions or tips.